Not all those who wander are lost. I don't know half of you half as well as I should like, and I like less than half of you half as well as you deserve. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given us. Will not say, do not weep, for not all tears are an evil. Do you wish me a good morning, or mean that it is a good morning, whether I want it or not, or that you feel good this morning, or that it is a morning to be good on? Still round the corner there may wait a new road or a secret gate, and throughout I oft have passed them by. A day will come at last when I shall take the hidden path that run west of the moon, east of the sun. May it be a light to you in dark place when all other lights go out. I sit beside the fire and think of how the world will be when winter comes without a spring that I shall ever see. But all the while I sit and think of time there where before I listen for returning feet and voice at the door. Moonlight drown out all but the brightest star. In a hole in the ground there lived a habit. A man that files from his fare may find that he has only taken a shortcut to it. So comes snow after fire, and even dragons have their endings. May the wind under your wings bear you where the sun sails and the moon walks. It does not do to leave a life dragon out of your calculation. If you live near him, I warn you, if you bore me, I shall take my revenge. You can only come to the morning throughout the shadow.